I don't see what all the fuss is about.
The word fuss means unnecessary excitement or worry about something. For example, she made a fuss over the small stain on her dress.
Outwardly, I was everything a well-brought-up girl should be.
Outwardly means in a way that appears on the surface. For example, he seemed calm outwardly, but he was really nervous inside.
They're fascinating.
Fascinating means extremely interesting or charming. For example, the documentary about space was fascinating.
Don't be absurd.
Absurd means ridiculously unreasonable or silly. For example, it's really absurd to think that you can finish that project in one day.
The propellers, and I slipped.
Propellers means devices with blades that spin to move a vehicle such as a boat or an airplane through air or water. For example, the airplane's propellers began to spin as it prepared for takeoff.
Rose is displeased.
The word displeased means feeling annoyed or dissatisfied. For example, she was displeased with the service at the restaurant.
I know you've been melancholy.
The word melancholy means a deep feeling of sadness or sorrow. For example, he felt a sense of melancholy as he remembered his old friend.
It's overwhelming.
Overwhelming means very intense or overpowering. For example, the amount of homework was overwhelming.
On my own since I was 15, since my folks died.
Folks is an informal term for people, often used to refer to a group of individuals or one's family members. For example, the folks at the party were all friendly and welcoming.
Not just for pulling me back, but for your discretion.
The word discretion means the ability to make decisions carefully based on good judgment and understanding of a situation. For example, he used his discretion to handle the sensitive matter.
That's disgusting.
The word disgusting means extremely unpleasant or revolting. For example, the smell from the garbage bin was disgusting.
A dangerous insect, which must be squashed quickly.
Squashed means pressed or flattened by force. For example, the sandwich was squashed in my back, so I couldn't eat it.
Yes, but he never faltered.
Faltered means to hesitate or stumble, especially in a speech or action due to uncertainty or lack of confidence. For example, she faltered in her speech when asked an unexpected question.
Fine art. Not to impugn your work, sir.
The word impugn means to challenge or attack the truth, integrity, or motives of someone or something. For example, he impugned her honesty by questioning her actions without evidence.